Today we're going to do a quick review of our sight words this week. So the first word is any, and spell it with me. A-N-Y, any. Our next word is from, and go ahead and spell it with me. F-R-O-M, from. Good job. Our next word is the word happy, and happy is spelled H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Our next word is once. Spell it with me. O-N-C-E, once. Our next word is so. Let's spell it. S-O, so. And our last word is upon, and let's spell it. U-P-O-N, upon. Good job. All right, so today you will be doing your I Spy sight words. And so our sight words for the week are all written right here. And you remember what you're going to do is you're going to go through and find all of the sight words that you can, color in the whole box because there is going to be a mystery sight word on this page. It's going to write out one of our sight words. So remember what I like to do that makes it a little easier is just like you're reading, you go all the way through. Do you see any of our words? Once you find them, you color them in. If you want to just explore and fill them in as you see them, you can do that too. Make sure you take a picture once you're done and send it to me so I can see what the mystery word is this week.